Chapter 4 Linear Equation in Two Variables. So, before reading about linear equation, first we learn what is a polynomial. A polynomial is a combination of constant and variables with basic operation of maths. Standard form of polynomial is a0 x raised to the power 0 plus a1 x raised to the power 1 or simple x plus a2 x square plus a3 x raised to the power 3 plus dash dash so on. Here a0, a1, a2, a3 dash dash are constant, while x raised to the power 0, x raised to the power 2, x raised to the power 3 dash dash so on are variables. This is a polynomial in one variable because here only one variable exists, x. A polynomial can have more than one variable like 2 plus 3x 5y square. This is a polynomial in two variables. Now, degree of a polynomial. Suppose a polynomial is 2 plus 7x plus 5x raised to the power 2 plus 3x raised to the power 3. Here highest exponent is 3, so this is a polynomial of degree 3. Similarly, highest exponent of any polynomial is known as degree of the polynomial. So now what is an equation? When we put a polynomial is equal to 0, it becomes an equation. A polynomial of degree 1 is called a linear polynomial, and when we put this is a linear polynomial of degree 1, so if we write is it equal to 0, it becomes an equation. So in previous classes we have learned about solve linear equation in one variables. So if we solve it, we get 2x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to minus 3 upon 2. This is the solution of linear equation in one variable. Standard form of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0. Here condition is that a is not equal to 0, where a and b are variables while a and b are constant and x is a variable, and condition is a is not equal to 0, because if we put a is equal to 0, it becomes 0x plus b is equal to 0. यहाँ पर हम a की वैल्यू को 0 के इक्वल नहीं रख सकते, क्योंकि यदि हम a इज इक्वल टू 0 रखेंगे तो ये होगा 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय x प्लस b इज इक्वल टू 0. सो b इज इक्वल टू 0. ये लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल नहीं है, सिर्फ कांस्टेंट b एक कांस्टेंट है, सो कांस्टेंट इज इक्वल टू 0, सो इट इज नॉट अ linear equation. Now the next is linear equation in two variables. So standard form of linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here x and y are variables while a, b, c are constant. So again condition is a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0, because if we put a is equal to 0, यदि यहाँ हम a की वैल्यू 0 रखते हैं तो ये हो जाएगा 0x plus by plus c is equal to 0, means by plus c is equal to 0. This is linear equation in one variable. Similarly, if we put b is equal to 0, it becomes a x plus 0 y plus c is equal to 0 or ax plus c is equal to 0. So again it is a linear equation in one variable. यहाँ पर एक साथ हम a और b को 0 नहीं रख सकते, तो ये linear equation in one variable हो जाएगा. डिग्री यदि हम देखते हैं वेरिएबल का एक्सपोनेंट हाईएस्ट एक्सपोनेंट 1 है, सो यहाँ पर इसलिए ये लीनियर इक्वेशन है। और लीनियर इक्वेशन चूंकि यहाँ पर दो वेरिएबल्स है, टू वेरिएबल्स है, एक्स एंड वाई, सो इट इज अ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स। Now, linear equation in one variable can be written as linear equation in two variables. Suppose we have an equation 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. So we can write it as 2x plus 0, y plus 5 is equal to 0. So here x and y are two variables. Here coefficient of y is 0. But it is a linear equation in two variables. So linear equation in one variable can be written as linear equation in two variables. One variable वाली linear equation को हम two variables में भी लिख सकते हैं.